Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. So, today I am going to start with our new grammar topic, that is personal pronoun, number, gender, and case. So, in this chapter, I'll be explaining how do we change the number of pronouns, how do we change the gender of the pronouns, and how different pronouns are used as subject and as object in a sentence, right? So what are the guidelines, what are the rules that we need to take care while using a pronoun as subject or as an object? So let's start with number of pronouns. So earlier also this thing was explained to you, that how do we change the number of pronouns, how do we make them change from singular to plural. So first I, it becomes we, मैं, हम, me becomes us, you becomes you. You is used for singular as well as for plural. He, she, they change to they. His and hers, plural of his and hers is theirs, and plural of him and her is them. So let's see some examples, there you can understand in a better way. So first example is I am teaching her. So here the pronouns are I and her. So I will become we, and when we change the subject, verb also changes. So the answer will be we are teaching her, plural of her is them. So the answer will be we are teaching them. Second sentence is has he seen her? Again here the pronoun is he will become they, and her will become them. So when again the subject changes, so with that verb will also change. So the answer will be have they seen them. Third sentence is where are the books? Mine are behind yours. So in this sentence, in first part of the sentence, noun books is given, so that is already in plural, but here we have to use the change, or we have to change the number of pronouns. So no change will occur. In first part of the sentence it is where are the books. Second part is mine are behind yours. Mine means मेरी, मेरी का plural is हमारी. So its answer will be ours are behind you. Yours, sorry. Ours are behind yours. So this is how we need to make changes in the number of pronouns. Now let's move to gender of pronouns. Earlier also you have done in the topic of gender that how we change the gender from masculine to feminine. So he becomes she, him become her, his becomes hers, right? And you know it जो है that is neuter gender, it is used for non-living things, right? So these are the changes that occur when we change the gender of the pronouns. Next is something new for you, that is case. Nominative, objective, and possessive. Nominative means when we use pronoun as a subject in a sentence, that is called nominative case. जब किसी सेंटेंस में प्रोनाउन को एज सब्जेक्ट यूज़ किया जाता है, दैट इज़ नॉमिनेटिव केस, और इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड सब्जेक्टिव केस, राइट? एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव इज व्हेन वी यूज़ प्रोनाउन एज ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड पोजेसिव व्हेन वी शो पोजेशन, कि वो चीज़ किसकी है, इसको शो करने के लिए जो प्रोनाउन यूज़ किए जाते हैं, दोज आर कॉल्ड पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस, राइट? सो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन you again with the help of a chart, right? So here if you see the first row, it is I, we, you, he, she, they, it. So these are the pronouns which are used as a subject in a sentence, right? I helped you, I like you, we like you, you helped me, he is a good boy. So these all are the pronouns which are used as subject. So these are called nominative case. Second is me, us, you, him, her, them, it. So this is objective case. When we use a pronoun as an object in a sentence, that is objective case. And the third one is possessive case. These words mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs, these words show the possession. So these pronouns show the possession कि कोई चीज़ किसकी है, right? So you need to learn this table very much carefully. Try to understand this table. In your previous chapter also, I gave you a table. Similar table was given to you, and that day also I told you to remember this, to note down it carefully. So I and we, these are included in first person, you is second person, and he, she, they, it third person, right? Now let's understand with the help of some examples. So first is I helped him. So first it is I is subject. So it means it is I is nominative case. Helped him. Him is object. It is objective case. If you are given a blank, dash helped them, right? And you are given you and yours. So what will you write? It is you. It means you are filling the nominative case of pronoun there. So you is subject here and them is object. We helped you. We is subject and you is object. Now you can understand that you is used as a subject and as object both, right? So these are the things that you need to understand. Now let's move further, that what are the different ways in which you can use correct usage of pronouns. So first is after the conjunction than, subjective case of pronoun is used. So now what is subjective or nominative case? When a pronoun is used as subject. Means हम वहाँ पे him नहीं use करेंगे, we will use he. We will not use me there, we will use I there. So let's see the example. She is taller than me. We normally say. But this is an informal way to say. So right answer is she is taller than I. Right? And am is given in bracket just to make you understand. Right? So the right answer is she is taller than I. If you are given an option, she is taller than, and blank is given and option is given I and me. So you will fill I. You will not use me because that is an informal way to say. Second is you are richer than her. Again, I told you कि than के बाद जब भी कभी हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं, वेन एवर इन अ सेंटेंस वी यूज दैन, उसके बाद जो प्रोनाउन है दैट इज़ यूज्ड एज सब्जेक्ट. नॉमिनेटिव केस, सब्जेक्टिव केस उसका यूज़ किया जाता है. सो यू आर रिचर दैन शी, राइट? सो दिस इज़ द राइट फॉर्म ऑफ यूजिंग करेक्ट प्रोनाउंस, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज with let, objective case is used. let word आपने सुना ही है, right? So let जो है that is a verb, and after verb objective case of pronoun is used, right? So here let we go for a walk? No. let के बाद हम कैसे pronoun को use करेंगे? as object. So right answer will be let us go for a walk. Second is let me talk to him. Let I nahi, let me talk to him. Let them do their work, not let they do their work. No. So let के बाद हम हमेशा pronoun को as object use करते हैं. And the most important thing is the major mistake that you make while writing your compositions also. So you need to keep this thing in your mind very much carefully. Normally what do you say? Me and my friend went to the zoo. You use it very much, right? So that is not a right way. So the right way is my friend and I went to the zoo. यहाँ पे हम nominative case use करेंगे pronoun का. And I is never written in the beginning. I is written after and. Whenever we are talking about two persons, so वहाँ पे हम my friend and I लिखते हैं. I and my friend लिखना, that is also wrong. Okay, so I is used after and. So my friend and I went to the zoo. Second is in the morning me and my parents go to temple. Many of you have written this line in your composition. How do you celebrate your birthday? In that you have written this line. So this is again a wrong way to write. So what is the right way to write? It is in the morning my parents and I go to the market, go to the temple, right? So this is the right way to write. So you need to keep all these things in your mind and repeat this video again and again. And even if you feel any problem, you can contact me anytime, and you are given some exercises also to solve. So do your work very much carefully. Thank you and have a nice day.